What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is the PlayStation Pulse 3D wireless headset. It's compatible with PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. I'm gonna set it up and use it with my PlayStation 5. So in this video, we're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna do a setup, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions about this headset. Comfort, quality of sound, all of that. But before we do, let's talk about what it says on the box. So on the back of the box, it says how games were made to sound, dual hidden microphones enhanced by noise canceling technology, built-in rechargeable battery for up to 12 hours of play, easy access controls, quickly adjust audio and chat settings, 3.5mm jack, which can be used with PlayStation VR and compatible audio devices, refined AirPads, enjoy comfortable gaming, and lastly, a wireless adapter, plug and play with PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 consoles. On one side of the box, it says compatible with PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation VR. And on the other side of the box, it says fine-tuned for 3D audio and PlayStation 5 consoles. Surround sound yourself in 3D soundscapes where you can sense sounds above, below, and all around you. All right, so let's jump into the unboxing now. All right, so here's everything laid out right now. You get 3.5mm cable, so you can plug this into regular headphones, use it with no battery at all. You should be able to use it on your Xbox, which I'll try that out in this video. Comes with a USB-C charger, so it's USB A on one side and then USB-C on the other. I'm so happy about this. I'm so glad micro USB is gone because almost everything's USB-C now. You get your USB wireless adapter, so just plug this right into your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 and these should automatically connect. It also comes with a setup guide, terms and conditions, safety protocols, quick, and all that stuff. So here's the quick start guide real quick. I'll open this up in case through the hands of time all this stuff gets washed away one day. At least you'll still have it on video. There you go. You can pause it if you want. I'll show the back. Features and controls. So there you go. And then here is the headphone. So there's plastic up here. Let me throw that away. So plastic, rubber, interesting. Usually it's like some padding here, but this is all rubber. That's pretty interesting. I haven't watched any videos on this yet. Very plain, simple design on the outside. Really I don't see any branding anywhere that you would even know that this is, PlayStation. I mean, it goes with the design, like the white and the black and stuff of the console, but other than that, I don't see any branding. Here's the AirPads, and they're somewhat soft. In terms, well, they're soft, but they're not real thick. Doesn't tell you left or right or anything on the inside, at least from what I can see. You get your 3.5mm headphone port. You get your USB-C. You get your, looks like your power button. And then you get your volume buttons. You get your monitor controls. And you also have chat and game volume if you want to override one or the other. That's actually the power button. This other button is, it must be the mute button. There you go, mute for the microphone. And that is it. Let me put these on so I can give you my first impressions. Okay, and wearing these actually just right off the bat, they're comfortable. They don't hurt my ears. The top, I can feel it hitting my head. My head is absolutely humongous. But still, even at that, I can feel the rubber, but right now, right after that, it doesn't feel like tons of pressure. It definitely doesn't feel like really any pressure on my ears just so far with doing this. So let's do this point. I'm gonna hook these up to the PlayStation 5 and it should be pretty seamless. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna plug this adapter in to the PlayStation 5 in the back because, I could do it in the front, but I have my headphone, well, not my headphone, I have my, charging cable plugged into the front. So that's why I have that there. So now I have those plugged in. Now I'm going to turn the power on for the headphones. Power them on, just slide that button down and that powers them on. And now my sound stopped once I did that. So let me put my headphones on. All right, so my microphone might pick up some of the sound of this headset, but I wanted to show you basically that when I press the mute button, let me go over to that. If this is the mute button, I'm still getting used to the controls. I think that is, nope, that's the volume up. You can see volume down, shows right on the console. Mute button, when you mute the microphone, it mutes it right on the screen. As you can see, when you unmute it, it shows the microphone's active. And then we have the other controls, I believe up here are for, yeah, you'll see it right on the screen. I can make it more geared towards who I'm talking to or the game. And it's kind of more towards the game at this point of me doing this video. I can definitely hear, and this is obviously a PlayStation 4 game, but I can hear the ocean going back and forth between the headphones. And his voice in this is so strong anyway and clear in God of War, but it's very, very crisp through the headphones. You can hear they're in like a cave, so I can hear the reverb really clear. When he's talking, I can hear him only in the left ear. But anyways, yeah, this game works great with this. Everything sounds great. So I did a little chat with my man Viper. If you're not subscribed to him, check him out. I'll link his channel down below. And it sounded good. I was hearing myself talking to him. I don't know if it's because of me or him or what, but I could hear, when I was talking, it was like I could hear myself through his side for some reason. But otherwise, he sounded good. He said I sounded good. He's actually using the Turtle Beach Stealth 700, and he likes those too. He actually likes those better than the Sony ones. But for me, I actually think the Sonys are more comfortable than the Turtle Beach Stealth 700s. So everyone's different though. And then I'm just gonna quickly try this game as well, which is a PlayStation 5 game. So this will give me the opportunity to try this out. But I mean, like I said, right off the bat, it sounds great. Oh. Oh. There we go. Pull it. And this is a great game to try with the controller because you get all the cool reverberations on there. All the rumbling, all the cool different feelings of that. This takes full advantage of all that stuff. As far as if these work with the Xbox Series X, I'd say yes and no. So I can hear audio like for the game. It'll even record myself. So I did a voice recording, but when I play back the voice recording that I'm about to send to someone, I can't hear it. And also I'm not able to make my volume for the headphones louder or softer. The controls on here don't work. I didn't see anything in the settings unless I'm missing it. So I would say if you're getting these for both of the systems, I'd say probably go to something else, as these don't seem to fully work with the Xbox. So after trying these for a little bit, they're definitely comfortable. Wearing these without my hat, which that's the way I'm gonna play gaming, they didn't hurt my head. The top didn't really hurt my head in the time that I was playing with them. The ear cups didn't hurt my ears. Didn't feel like a lot of pressure on there. So I'm happy with the comfort. In terms of the sound, again, I thought they did their job. I could hear immersive sound. I could hear things going back and forth. It had the quality of the sound was good as well. So overall, just sound, I'd definitely be impressed with these. So with comfort, sound, and then setting these up, just plugging in the USB and it working, I love that. I mean, I can't say that's really anything new with USB headsets on the PlayStation. And basically, they all work the same way. Even my Turtle Beach Stealth 700, I did the same thing, plugged them in, and they sounded, it worked exactly the same. In terms of the sound between those two headphones, I'm gonna have to listen to it more carefully, but I honestly didn't notice a big difference between those two headphones. And again, I will do a separate video seeing which one I think sounds better. But overall, if you get these, I think you'll be happy. They're fine, $100, they sound good. They're wireless. You're gonna get, they have Usbc charging. They're supposed to get up to 12 hours of battery life. So at that point, they're good. I like them. If you want to pick them up, I'll link them down below. They might be hard to get right now, but as time goes on, obviously that'll ease up. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.